Hello everyone, I'm Malin. Welcome back to grammar lesson. Today we are going to learn about different uses of definite article word the. Okay everyone, from my earlier video I mentioned about what is article, its type and basic usage of article. Okay, now we are going to learn about different uses of definite article word the. Okay, before going to move with this lesson, let's remember again what is article. Articles are words like a, an and the. They usually stand before noun to modify that noun, and also they can act as an adjective in the sentence. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. So we use definite articles to talk about specific things, and we use indefinite articles to talk about unspecific things. As a definite articles we use word the, and as indefinite articles we use word a and an. Okay everyone, now we are going to look at the different uses of definite article word the. Okay, before going to talk about these different uses, let's talk about how to pronounce word the with different nouns. Okay, when articles comes with noun which begins with vowel sound, we pronounce it as the. Look at these examples: the America, the apple, the onion. Okay, here America, apple, onion, these are begins with vowel letter and also they pronounce vowel sound. Okay, when articles comes with noun which begins with consonant sound, we pronounce it as the. Look at this example: the boy, the woman, the university. Okay, here boy and woman start begins with consonant letter and also they pronounce consonant sound. So therefore we pronounce definite article word the as the boy, the woman. But look at the third example, the university. But here university begins with vowel letter, but here it pronounce consonant letter Y sound. So therefore we pronounce it as the university, not the university. Okay everyone, now we are going to learn about the different usages of definite articles word the. Okay, we can use word the to talk about something which has already mentioned earlier. Okay, let's look at some example to identify this concept. Look at this example: he has a boy. The boy wants to become a teacher. I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. Okay, look at the first example: he has a boy. The boy wants to become a teacher. Okay, here we use a to refer boy at the first time in the first sentence, but second time we use the to refer same noun to same boy. Remember again, when you are going to mention something at the first time we use indefinite articles a or an, but when you are going to mention same thing second time or next, we use definite article word the. Look at the second example: I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. Here also first time we used an apple, but second time when you are going to mention same noun we use the apple. Okay, remember again, when you are going to talk about something which has already mentioned earlier, we can use definite article word the. Okay, now we are going to look at another uses of word the. We can use definite article word the to talk about a particular person or thing. Okay, let's look at some example to identify this whole. Look at this example: my sister enjoyed the book you gave her. Do you remember the hotel we stayed at Berlin? Okay, look at the first example: my sister enjoyed the book you gave her. Here we use definite article word the before noun book, the book, because it is something a particular book among other books. So therefore we used definite article word the before noun to specify that noun. Okay, look at the second example: do you remember the hotel we stayed at in Berlin? Here also the hotel, because it's something a specific hotel, sometimes we have some memories with that hotel, however it's a specific hotel. That is why we used word the with that hotel. Okay, when you look at these two examples, it's clear we can use word the to talk about a particular person or thing. Okay everyone, now we are going to look at another different uses of word the. We can use definite article word the before some proper nouns. Look at these examples. We can use the with ocean and seas. For example, the Pacific, the Atlantic, and also rivers. The Ganga, the Nile, desert, the Sahara Desert, then a group of islands, the West Indies. Then we can use to talk about mountain ranges. For example, the Everest, the Himalaya, as well as holy books, the Quran, the Bible. Okay, now we are going to look at another different uses of word the. Okay, we can use word the to refer to people or object that are unique. For example, the moon, the sky, the sun. These are unique things, so because we have only one sun, one sky, one moon, so therefore these are really unique things, so therefore we can use word the to talk about unique things. Okay everyone, when you look at this all example, one thing is common. Although there are many rules, we use these definite articles to talk about specific things. Okay, now let's talk about situations that we do not use word the. Okay, we do not use definite articles word the to talk about things in general. Okay, look at these examples. Greek food is both healthy and tasty. I hate shopping for clothes. Football is more popular than basketball in most countries. Okay, look at the first example. Here Greek food we talk about in general, so therefore we do not use the. Look at the second example. I hate shopping for clothes. Here clothes also, I am talking about all clothes, not talking about a specific cloth, so therefore we can't use word the with clothes because we are talking about it in general. Look at the third example. Football is more popular than basketball in most countries. Here football, basketball and countries we are talking about in general, so therefore we can't use definite article word the because we are not talking about a specific football or basketball match, or we are not talking about a specific country, so therefore we can't use definite article word the with this example. And also we can't make this statement or with like this: the football is more popular than the basketball in the most countries. We can't use like that because we are talking about these things in general. So therefore remember, we do not use word the to talk about things in general. Okay, another important thing you should remember, you do not use word the with name of schools, companies, universities or other institution. Look at this example. He goes to school. She is in hospital at the moment. Okay, look at the first example. He goes to school because of he is a student. He goes to school for learning. Look at the second example. She is in hospital at the moment because she is ill. She needs to take treatment. But remember, we can use word the with these examples if you are going to these buildings for another reason. Look at this example. He goes to the school to see headmaster. Here he is not a student, he is not a teacher, he is not going to the school for learning. He goes to the school to see headmaster. So therefore remember, you can use word the with these examples if you are going to these buildings for another reason. Okay everyone, in this lesson we learned about how to use definite article word the. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.